Okay, hello everyone. In this video, we will learn what is a word processor and how you can start a word processor and what are the uses of it. Okay, first of all, a word processor is an application software package which is used to create documents in an organized way. Okay, hence it is an application software. Application software means which are used by the end users. Means the users use the application softwares. Okay. So word processor is an application software and it is used to create documents in an organized manner. Means in the manner you want to keep, you can keep the documents. Okay, and the advantages of the word processor over the traditional typewriter means traditionally people used typewriters for preparing documents. Okay, for preparing any printed work. But what are the advantages of the word processor with compared to the traditional typewriter? The first one is a fast. Means we can type fast in the word processor as compared to that of the typewriter. And the second one is the editing features. Means here in word processor you can edit it. Means you can copy the same text and paste it any number of times or move the text from one place to another place. Okay, next is formatting features. Formatting features means you can decorate the text, like you can change the font of the text, you can bold it, italic it, etc. etc. Many more formatting features are there. Next is spell check. Spell check means if any spellings have written wrongly, then those spellings will be automatically corrected, or you will find some different symbols for that we will learn afterwards. Okay, next is you can store it for future use. Future use means you can store it for permanently in your hard disk for using it afterwards. Okay, next is you can present your information in a tabular form. We create tables and insert the data. Okay, next is you can insert graphics. Means you can insert many images, pictures, clip arts, etc. in the word processor, in the document. Okay, next is you can insert header, footer, and page numbers. And finally, you can print the document. Okay, while printing also you can add borders to the document. Okay, you can add margin, you can set the margin of your page, etc. etc. You have many options in the word processor. Okay, next is what are the different examples, different word processor which can be used. Okay, first and most commonly used word processor is Microsoft Word. Okay, next it is OpenOffice Writer. Okay, OpenOffice Writer is basically for Linux users. Okay, otherwise Windows users can also use it. It is for free of cost, OpenOffice Writer. Okay, and next is Google Documents, which is used for internet based. Means if you have connected with internet, you can work with Google Documents. And the last one is Notepad. Okay, Notepad you can say it as a word processor, but it has a limited number of features. Next, in this we will learn only about Microsoft Word. Okay, first of all, how can you start Microsoft Word? Okay, normally all the programs, all the applications programs are available in the start menu of the window, start menu of the taskbar, and in that you will find programs option. Okay, depending upon the operating system you have different options for all programs. Okay, next is Microsoft Office. You will find the Microsoft Office option there. Basically this is for Windows 2007 version. There this is the steps for starting the Microsoft Office Word. Okay, and normally the extension of the Word document is .doc or .docx. Okay, it is .doc for the older versions, like up to 2003, 1997, 2000 to 2003. The extension of the documents are .doc. Okay, but later on from 2007 and onwards, 2010, 2013, 2016, many more versions are there. From that onwards, the default extension of the document is .docx. Okay, next, let me start. I will open a Word document and open it. How to open a document? I am showing it. Okay, here I am clicking on the start menu, and here I am finding for the Word document from the start menu. Here I will find it. Okay, here you can find the Word option is Word 2016. Okay, the version of this Word processor is Word 2016. Okay, by clicking on it, okay, now the Microsoft 2016 version is opening. Okay, after this you can click on the blank document option twice. Okay, after clicking it, you will find the blank document open for you. Okay, this is the general interface of the Microsoft Word. Okay, now you can also start Microsoft Word by using the desktop. Okay, like you can click on the right click on the desktop. Okay, after clicking on the right click, you will find a new option. After going to new, here you can find Microsoft Word document. Okay, by clicking on this, a new Microsoft Word document is available here, and you can find here the extension of the Word document is .docx. Okay, suppose I am renaming it as computer.docx. Okay, you can check its properties. See here, the extension of the file is .docx. Okay, as I have told you, the extension of the word processor after 2007 and later versions, the extension is .docx. Here you can find it as .docx. Okay, let me open this. Suppose if I want to change the extension of this file, okay, from .docx to doc, I can do that. Okay, how? By going to the file option, and here you will find a save as option. Okay, by clicking on save as, okay, here you will find the different extensions. Here you can find different extensions of the word processor. Here you can find Word 97 to 2003 document, and its extension is .doc. By clicking on it and clicking on save option, now I have found a new icon on this desktop with the same name computer, but its extension is .doc. Okay, in this I have explained both how you can get .docx extension and .doc also. Let me check the properties of it. There you can see here the extension is .doc. Here also you can find the extension of the file is .doc. Okay, now moving on to the next topics, identifying the elements of user interface. Okay, now when we start a Microsoft Word, I'm starting the Microsoft Word here. Here you can find a number of tabs here, a number of icons on this window. Okay, this is the interface. This whole thing is the interface of word processor of Microsoft Word. Okay, here you can find many options, like this one is a file menu or file tab. Okay, and this is home tab. This one is insert. This one is design. This one is layout. This is reference. This is mailings. This is review, view, and help. Okay, in different, if you click on a different option, different tab, okay, these all are called one tab. This is home tab, this is insert tab, this is design tab, like that. Each one is a tab, and in each tab we have a number of groups. Here you have the groups are clipboard as a group, font as a group, paragraph as a group, styles as a group, and editing as a group. Okay, each one is a group of home tab. Similarly, in insert tab also you have a number of groups here. Okay, the thing is you have to find out every group, and in each group you have many options or many icons. These are called icons. Okay, or you can say it as many options. Okay, in clipboard group you have the options like paste, cut, copy, format pointer. Okay, similarly in font group you have options like calibri, font size, increasing the font, grow font, shrink font, everything. Okay, suppose if I ask you how can you bold the text in bold the text in word processor or bold the text. Okay, for this you have to write, suppose I have written some text. Okay, suppose I want to bold this. I've written here, computer is an electronic machine. Okay, now if I want to bold the sentence, what you have to do is, first of all you have to select the sentence. For selecting, just you have to click on the mouse and drag it, then the text gets selected. Okay, after getting selected, after the text gets selected, you have to press on bold option. And where is the bold option? The bold option is present in the font group. Okay, the font group of the home tab. Okay, now I'm pressing here bold option. Okay, now you find the text has become bold. Okay, if you have to mention the every tab and every group, like of the font group of the home tab. Okay, for any question you get in the exam, you have to write each and every option with its tab and group. Then only you will get full marks. Okay, now moving on to the next topic, what are the different operations, basic file operations, what you can do on a word processor. Okay, here you can see after clicking on the file option, here you can find new option. Okay, new is to create a new document. Okay, suppose I click here new, now you can find a blank document. Here you can create another document. That document by default the name is document 1. If I will create another document, the name will be document 2, like that. Okay, now this is to create a Word document. And suppose I want to open an existing Word document, then I have to click on open option. Okay, for saving the document you have to click on save option, and to save it with a different name, okay, you have to use save as option. Let me use the save and save as options. Here if I click on save option, as you are saving this Word document for the first time, you will find the save as option only. Okay, by default if you are not given any name to the document, by default you will get a save as dialog box. And here suppose I am saving it on the desktop with the name, suppose COMP. Okay, I have saved this file with name COMP. Here you can find it, the name is COMP. Okay, now if I have written something here and I want to save this file again with a different name, then you have to press the save as option. Okay, if I press the save as option, again it will ask for the location where you want to save the file. Okay, now I have given another name, suppose comp1. Okay, now I have saved it. You will find here another option, comp1. This one is comp, this one is comp1. Okay, now if I want to just save the changes without rename, without giving a new name, then I can just file and click on save. Okay, so you have to understand the difference between save and save as. Okay, just to make the changes whatever you have done, that for that you need save option, and save as option is used to save the file with a new name or a new type. Like you want to save it in a different extension like .doc, then you can use the save as option. Okay, now if you want to open an existing file, that means you have already created a file and you want to open that file, then you have to go to file, then you'll find the open option. After clicking that here, if it is a recent document, then you can find it from here. Otherwise you can browse the file where it is, and suppose here I have created comp.doc. I'm opening that, click it and open. Okay, now that document will be opened. Okay, fine, here check it here, comp.doc, it is opening here. Okay, And to close the microprocessor, you can go to File and click on Close option. Okay, if you click on Close, the file gets closed. Okay? Otherwise, you can go to the right corner of your window, right top corner, and you will find the Close button here. Cross. You can click the, then the document will be closed. Okay, you have not saved the changes. It is asking for you to want to save or not. I'm pressing the Save option. Okay, the files are saved now. Next, this I've already explained you here. Here you have found the user interface has 8 tabs. Okay, this I have shown you now. File tab, home, insert, page layout, references, mailings, review and view. Okay, and each tab consists of different groups and each group has different icons. This I have already explained to you. And these are the different operations of a word processor. Okay, for now, this much only. We will continue rest in the next class.